Hi, Suman here. Today we are going to unbox washing machine. It is a LG washing machine, top load. We are going to unbox it today. Here I am cutting the strings. Making it good. Before opening, you have to check which side it is. So somewhere it will be written in top. Let me show you. Just 1 second. So you can see this arrow is front, and this here also you can see the front. Then you have to open from this side only. You have to open, otherwise it can open from the downside, and then it would be difficult. इसको अभी यहाँ रखते हैं और इसको निकालेंगे कैसे. Finally मैंने इस box I have removed from the box, and I'll remove this wrapper also. So come closer and see this. This is the LG automatic 6.2 kg. Inside, let me check what all they have given to open this. Okay, here also there is one thermocol, and we have to remove this one. These are the kit they have given. One is outlet pipe. Oh, they have given one serve also, serve packet. That's all. And back side also, if you want, you can show me. This is the back side. They have wirings and all. Start and pause. This is power button. Start, pause. And this is the indicator, you can see. And this is the level, so you can make it. I think that's pretty much about this. Yeah. So this was the unboxing of washing machine LG 6.2 kg. This is a diamond glass model, I think so. So after that we'll use someday, and after that I'll give you the feedback about how it works and all this. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.